From the brand that brought you the beloved Nespresso Virtuo, DeLonghi now introduces the Rivelia. It's the all-in-one super automatic espresso machine with integrated grinder and milk frother. The Rivelia is your ticket to cafe-quality beverages at the touch of a button. But that's not all. This versatile machine allows you to personalize your coffee experience to the fullest. After brewing, use the intensity selector to adjust the strength of your coffee to your liking. With 3 intensity levels to choose from, you can customize your cup to be as strong or mild as you prefer. And if you're feeling extra fancy, use the quantity function to create a double shot for those who love a little extra kick. The possibilities are endless with the extra shot function. You can explore new flavor profiles by experimenting with different shot sizes on your favorite drinks. Use the extra shot to create a richer, more intense latte or cappuccino. Or if you prefer a stronger brew, simply enjoy a straight shot of espresso. And let's not forget about the milk. The removable milk container with spout makes it easy to create latte art at home. DeLonghi knows that a perfect cup of coffee is just the beginning. That's why they've included a hot water function, so you can enjoy the ultimate tea experience as well. Whether you prefer a soothing cup of chamomile or a refreshing glass of hot chocolate, the Rivelia has you covered. The compact and stylish Italian design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The intuitive LED screen makes navigating through the menu a breeze. And with a convenient water level indicator, you'll always know when it's time to refill. Plus, cleaning your machine has never been easier. The removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, making maintenance a hassle-free task. Start your day off right with the DeLonghi Rivelia. In addition to being an expert in coffee, DeLonghi is also deeply committed to sustainability. The packaging has been redesigned with 50% recycled paper. The product manual is printed on 100 recycled paper. The DeLonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine with grinder and milk. Frother is the ultimate all-in-one solution for coffee lovers. With its user-friendly design, customizable features, and expert coffee brewing capabilities, the Rivelia delivers the perfect cup, effortlessly. So why wait? The DeLonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine with grinder and milk frother is an all-in-one coffee maker that allows you to enjoy hot or iced latte, cappuccino, Americano, coffee, flat white, and espresso at the touch of a button.